needing some ginger garlic, some red onion, but you can also use white, and tomatoes, and of course the habanero pepper, which is also known as Scotch bonnet, white and black pepper, some seasoning cube, salt, and spring onions for more flavor. Next, I will put everything in the blender, and I'm also going to be adding the salt and the seasoning cube into it, and I'm going to blend this until smooth. Next, I will put the blended mixture in a pot. I'm also going to add a little bit of water into the blender just to rinse out everything and add into the pot. After which, I'm going to cover the pot and let it simmer. And while the pot is on the fire, you want to make sure to keep checking to avoid it from getting burned. Right now, I'm just going to check the pot to make sure that it's not burning underneath, and at this point there's still water in the peppers. So basically, I'm going to cover this again and let it cook until the water gets dry. Yeah guys, that is the idea. It has to cook until the water gets dry, and at this point the water is actually dried up, and I'm just going to add some vegetable oil into it, and then I'm going to mix and let it simmer again for just a little while. And yeah guys, actually that's it for this sauce. It doesn't take too much time, and you just want to give it a good stir and make sure everything is well incorporated and well mixed. So you can use the sauce to eat fish, to eat chicken, to eat gâteau, puff puff, and you can also add it to your sauce when you're cooking and you don't feel like blending anything new or anything fresh, and then you already have this one in your fridge. So guys, yeah, thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, kindly give your girl a thumbs up and be sure to try it. If you are a new subscriber here, welcome and thank you for subscribing. This is Solishai's Cuisine, and to my already lovely family, thank you all for your support. And until I see you in my next video, stay safe and keep loving each other. God bless you. Bye bye.